In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a meeting on Microsoft Teams using your laptop. Whether you're joining a meeting for work, school, or just keeping in touch with friends and family, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, making sure you don't miss a beat. First and foremost, you're going to want to open up your email or calendar wherever you've received your meeting invite. This is where everything typically starts. Once you're there, look for the invitation that includes the Teams meeting link. This link is usually labeled as Join Microsoft Teams Meeting, so keep an eye out for that. When you spot the link, go ahead and click on it. You're going to be presented with a couple of options for joining the meeting. If you've got the Microsoft Teams app installed on your laptop, you can simply choose Open Microsoft Teams app, which will provide you the full desktop experience. On the other hand, if you don't have the app installed or you're using a shared computer where you can't download applications, not to worry. You can select the Continue on this browser option. Clicking this will allow you to join the meeting directly via your web browser. It's a great alternative because there's no need for additional downloads and it keeps things nice and simple. Now, if you happen to be joining the meeting as a guest, this next part is for you. After selecting your method of joining, you'll need to enter your name. This is how everyone else in the meeting will see you listed. After typing in your name, take a moment to check your microphone and camera settings. It's important to ensure everything is working properly so you can be heard and seen clearly. Most of the time, you'll find these settings in the little icons of a microphone and a camera, which can be toggled on or off. Once everything is set to your liking, proceed by clicking on the button labeled Join Now. And that's it. You're now in your Microsoft Teams meeting on your laptop. From here, you can participate in discussions, turn your video on or off, and if you ever need to share your screen, the options are intuitive and easy to find. Navigating a Teams meeting can be straightforward once you've joined, so feel free to explore the different features and tools available to enhance your meeting experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you connected on Microsoft Teams. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or check more of our videos for additional tips and tricks. Stay connected and have a great meeting.